Well, as far as ton of listings goes, if you're an agent that's got tons of listings, congratulations, right? That means you know what you're doing. But you also want to make sure that from day one, you set the expectations in terms of price. Right now, for example, in Arizona, right? In our MLS, we got close to 21,000 listings. 7 months ago, we only had 5,000 listings, right? Think about it. It's a huge increase. So what we got to do right now is we got to price it aggressively. We got to make sure that every 2 weeks we go over what's going on in the market in that particular subdivision or that neighborhood, right? Do the price adjustments. And also very important, you got to let the seller know what you're doing in terms of promoting and marketing their listing. Those days when you just put a listing on the market, take a few pictures, have a sign outside and get multiple offers, those days are pretty much over. So you gotta now put in the time and effort and let the seller know what you are doing on a daily basis to sell their listing. And that means that every week you gotta send them either a text, an email, or a phone call and let them know, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, this is what I'm doing for you. So this way they're not sitting there in the evenings and asking themselves, what is my agent doing? Or looking for maybe other agents in the neighborhood.